Hey, hello all, welcome back to our channel. And guys, today in this video, it's an unboxing video only. Actually, here you can see in front of you. Today, now we are going to do unboxing of this boAt smartwatch only. And this model is we have Sigma 3 actually. Today, now we are going to do unboxing of this product only. Actually, I purchased this product from Flipkart at rupees cost of rupees 1499. And not only in Flipkart, even you can purchase this product from Myntra, in official boAt site, in Amazon. You can purchase in any e-commerce website, guys, and some price may also vary by side in e-commerce sites, I'm saying. And okay, and here you can see today now we're going to do this unboxing only. Let's come on. Just first we need to remove this boAt tape first. Actually, it's not coming, it's very tight. Yeah, come on. And okay guys, finally we have removed this box. Surprise, here you can see here's the smartwatch. It looks good actually. And before taking this, let's see what are the features they are providing in this. Actually, in the smartwatch, here you can see here's the 10x10 navigation is there, support is there, and there's a lot of watch faces also there for this smartwatch. And the smartwatch sizes, here you can see here they are mentioned 2.0 inch. Actually, it's 5.10 centimeter. If you're converting this in centimeter, means this display size actually. Not only that, and here you can see built-in games is there, 700 plus active modes were there, like in fitness side I'm saying. And not only that, IP67 resistance rating is also there, like dust, sweat, splash resistance is also there, and even heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring are there. And just here you can see here you need to note that and this smartwatch will support from Android 7 and above only, in iPhone from iOS 14 and above only. And you can see a live sports code, and Bluetooth calling is there. That's good. Okay, let's come on. It's now time to take this out, guys. Yeah, come on. Yeah, it's game, you can see. And under this you can see they are providing a charging cable. Actually, you need to use your adapter only, power adapter of yours. And okay, here you can see here's the user manual, and in another side it's warranty code scan. And here you can see there is some kind of stickers is there, boAt hard. Okay, do what, boAt surf and boAt, okay, boAt head, okay. And not only that, here you can see there's a different kinds of stickers they are providing with this watch also, I hope you can see it's a sticker. Yeah, okay, that's good. And then now let's just a minute. Yeah, okay, now just keep this aside, and now it's time to take this smartwatch out, guys. Yeah, come on. Yeah, you can see just now I'm going to remove this tape, remove the sticker actually. Okay, I have removed, and then you can see it's good. Just take this out. You can see here's the cover, and here's the smartwatch, guys. And guys, in this smartwatch, there's a boAt coins rewards were there for doing each and every activity by using this watch. Actually, they have mentioned in their site, in Flipkart site actually, I'm not sure, just I need to test. This I saw in product description in Flipkart side, but it's good. And there is a SpO2 monitoring is also there with IP67. It's good. And display size is also okay, not bad actually. It's good. I'm going to turn this on first. Yeah, you can see boAt powered by CristOs. Yes, just skip. You can see it's good. Actually, booting process is very simple, guys. It looks very quite simple. Okay, we need to pair with this smartphone, guys, actually. Okay, and okay guys, we are in the end of this video. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you're having any queries or documents, ask in the comment section. I will reply as soon as possible. And do like us and subscribe our channel for more videos guys. Bye. I will see you in next video.